Bro, you've got one single image, just one. You hit generate, and suddenly it's a full video. Smooth, cinematic, anime-level quality. Yeah, I know. Sounds like magic, but it's real, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. Wait until you see what else DomoAI can do. DomoAI is an AI tool that anyone can use, literally zero tech skills required. You've got three main tools: AI video, turn images, frames, or text into videos. AI image, create art, avatars, memes, basically anything visual. AI editing, enhance, upscale, and fix your videos in seconds. Now, if you're like me, you're thinking, cool, but how do I actually use this? Let's jump into the video magic, where the fun really begins. 1. Image to video upload a single image. Pick fast mode for speed or advanced mode for high precision cinematic quality. Advanced mode is perfect for music videos, anime, or even short films. And once you see that in action, you're gonna want your avatars talking too. 2. Talking avatar. Want your character or avatar to talk or see yourself lip sync perfectly? Upload a video, drop in your avatar, and boom, it talks. Honestly, smoother than my dance moves, and that's saying something. Speaking of remixing, let's take it up a notch. 3. Video to video. Got a clip but want to remix it? Change the vibe completely? DomoAI does it in 2 steps. Pick a style. Clay, pixel, ink, PS2 game, literally anything. It's like giving your old clip a fresh cinematic glow up without doing hours of editing. And if you think that's neat, wait until we animate multiple images together. 4. Frames to video. Got a bunch of images? Upload 2 to 8 frames and DomoAI makes a smooth video. Perfect for animations, storyboards, or showing off your art without drawing hundreds of frames. But what if you want your characters to really move? That's next. 5. Character to video ever wanted your OC to dance like a TikTok pro? Upload a character picture and a video. Your character mimics every move. Heads up, your friends might get jealous. And if you're feeling extra lazy? 6. Text to video. Yep, you can even type a script, drop it in, and DomoAI generates a video for you. It's like having your own mini Hollywood studio on your laptop. So now you might be asking, why DomoAI over everything else? Here's the deal. Super easy. Anyone can create videos, even if your tech skills stop at turning on Wi-Fi. Affordable. Unlimited generations for way less than other tools. Anime and OC friendly. Perfect for creators who love characters, cosplay, or animation. Privacy first. Your content stays yours. Always. Compared to other AI video tools like Kling, Hailuo, or Runway, DomoAI is cheaper, faster, and easier. Basically, it's the AI tool every YouTuber or content creator wished existed yesterday. And now, let's talk about how you can actually use it in real life. Make memes or funny clips in seconds. Create lip-sync videos or talking avatars for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or IG Reels. Make quick promo videos for products or social media. Turn your original art into animations without spending weeks. Experiment with styles. Pixel, ink, anime, PS2. The sky's the limit. And finally, the part you've been waiting for, trying it yourself. So if you want to make epic AI videos from just a pic, or create avatars that talk and dance, check out DomoAI. Links down below. Go test it yourself. Trust me, once you try it, you'll feel like a digital wizard. No coding, no plugins, just clicks. All right, bros, that's it for today. Hit like, subscribe, and comment what wild video you're gonna make with DomoAI. Peace.